Real-time English. Today's weather. Speak aloud. Give proper attention to the underlined words and phrases. 1. The drizzly weather made it difficult to go for a walk. 2. The miserly weather created a misty atmosphere. 3. After the heavy rain, the streets were left puddly and slippery. 4. It's pouring outside, so I need to use my umbrella. 5. My umbrella got caught in a strong gust of wind and ended up broken. 6. As the dark clouds loomed above, Ahmed hurriedly unfurled his umbrella, protecting himself from the impending raindrops. 7. The gusty winds caused the umbrella to invert. 8. I opened my umbrella to protect myself from the rain. 9. Don't forget to close the umbrella before coming inside. 10. The canopy of my umbrella is large enough to cover me and my 3 friends. 11. After the heavy downpour, I was completely drenched in the rain. 12. The winter season has set in. For any help. Malik Muqshir Khan. WhatsApp, +92300 908 8899.